Hi and hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So there is a new video. So என்ன வீடியோ பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா again நம்ம கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டத்தோட கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் வீடியோவோட ஒரு சில நெக்ஸ்ட் அப்டேஷன் பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, ஸோ லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் சிலபஸ் பார்த்துருந்தோம், அப்போ கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டோட இன்ட்ரோடக்ஷன் பார்த்துருந்தோம். ஸோ நவ் இன் திஸ் வீடியோ கிளாஸ் we are going to learn so what is meant by control system. Again the same thing we are going to continue. So என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா characteristics of control systems. ஓகே, ஸோ அதை பற்றி நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். ஸோ நம்ம பார்க்க வேண்டிய டாபிக் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம். ஸோ இந்த கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா டுடே கிளாஸ் we are going to learn characteristics of control system. ஓகே, characteristics of the particular system. Okay, that means control system. So in the characteristics type பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா in the control system there are two types. So in the control system there are two types. So என்ன types அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா first one is call it as open loop control system. So ப்ராப்ளம் நிறைய கேட்பாங்க, அதில் இதை பேஸ் பண்ணி so there are more chance is there for a open loop control system. This is also very important topic. And then another topic is called as closed loop control system. So there are two types இருக்கு இதில் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா open loop control system and also closed loop control system. So based on the feedback it may going to work. ஸோ ஃபீட்பேக்கை பொறுத்து தான் வந்து என்ன பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் ஒர்க் ஆகும். ஸோ ஓப்பன் லூப் கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா ஆல்ரெடி உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். ஸோ நோ ஃபீட்பேக், தெர் இஸ் நோ ஃபீட்பேக். ஸோ அதனால தான் வந்து அதை ஓப்பன் லூப் கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம் சொல்கிறாங்க. ஸோ இஃப் ஃபீட்பேக் இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா தட் இஸ் கால் இட் ஆஸ் க்ளோஸ் லூப் கண்ட்ரோல் சிஸ்டம். Feedback is present. So these points are very important for the control system. So in the control system characteristic there are two types. The first type is call it as open loop control system. The another one is call it as a closed loop control system. In the open loop control system there is no feedback. The closed loop control system the feedback is available. That means feedback it should be present. Okay. So now we are going to take what is meant by control system. Okay. It is call it as open loop control system, OLS. Okay, what is meant by open loop control system? So இதில் வந்து நம்ம என்னென்ன அட்வான்டேஜ் இருக்கு, டிஸ்அட்வான்டேஜ் இருக்கு, what are the important things and how it is work, why we don't want the feedback and what is the purpose of what are the example of open loop control system and also what is the difference between open loop and closed loop. So this everything we are going to learn in this video class. Okay, so in the open loop control system, sorry for this screen, I didn't check. So in the open loop control system, so already the one system is available in the open loop. So பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா அதே மாதிரி தான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் ஃபங்க்ஷன் கிரியேட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக ஒரு ஓப்பன் லூப் சிஸ்டம் இருக்கும். So whatever it may be, we are going to give one input, we are going to take one output. So this is called input system, input of the given particular system. So this is called the output of the given particular system. Okay, so from this is called open loop control system. That means here there is no feedback. The very important things for open loop control system is feedback is absent. That's why it is called it as open loop control system. So in the open loop control system some advantage is there, disadvantage is also there. Okay, that we are going to learn now. So what are the advantages are available in the open loop control system and why it is called it as open loop control system and what are the important applications and what are the examples, some practical example also we are going to learn. So in the advantages of open loop control system, compare with all of the compare with that closed loop control system, the open loop control systems are economical. That means very cheap. That means simple and economical. That means economical means it is very cheap. Okay, so விலை வந்து அதாவது இதோட டிசைன் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா very சிம்பிளாக இருக்கும் but economical also. That means economical means very simple and price also very small. Okay, designing cost. Then construction also very easy, very easy to construct. very easy to construct. Okay, very easy to construct. So this window is disturbing. Very easy to construct. And one more advantage, whatever it may be, if any systems, any kind of the instrumentation or any kind of the working system, it has some advantages and also disadvantages. Okay, that we are going to take now. So now another point is simple and economical system and very easy to construct and a stable system. Stability is very perfect. So stability system. So this is called these are the important points are available in open loop control system like advantages side. Okay, so what are the disadvantage available? Already I told you, if anything is there, one advantage also there, some disadvantage is there. We need to compare everything. Okay, so what are the disadvantage? அதாவது என்னென்ன disadvantage இருக்கு in the open loop system, that also we need to learn. Okay, so that we are going to now. So what are the disadvantages are there from open loop control system, that we are going to take now. Okay, so accurate பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா in the open loop control system compared with the closed loop control system, accuracy is very less. Okay, so automatically we came to know inaccurate. Okay, then other things is change in the output. That means the output is the output is there, input is there, the output change in the output not correct automatically. If any error is there means we need to correct by manually. That's why it is not a perfect system like that. So change in output, like change in output not correct, that means if it is some error is there means not correct automatically. So these are the some disadvantages are there in that open loop control system. Okay, we will go for next page. So these are the very important things for open loop control system. So advantages, some advantages are there, some disadvantages are there. Okay, so we need to compare with the open loop and also closed loop. So what is in the closed loop system? Before that, so why we need to solve by using open loop system and the closed loop system, that also we need to learn. Okay, so before going to the closed loop system, so we need to find what is in by that error. So see here, change in output not correct automatically, that means we need to take for steady state error. We need to take for steady state error. Okay, so in the steady state error, every systems it has some response based on the input and output. Okay, that is called it as error. Okay, it possible to accept some cases like this is one, this is the output of the particular system, this is the, we need to expect the perfect output, expected output here, but system will get output for received output is like that means. So this gap, this is called as steady state error. So all the system it has some error. Okay, based on that error only the system is going to classify whether the particular system is good or bad. So already we came to know there are two type of open loop systems, open loop control system and closed loop control system. So this is the class, simply I explained what is mean by open loop control system. So next class, next video I am going to explain what is in the closed loop control system. After that I am going to solve some important problems regarding open loop control system and also closed loop control system. Then we are going to solve some important problem, previously asked questions, PYQ problem, previous year problems and solved problems from GATE and different kind of the competitive examination source. Okay, thank you all, thank you once again, we will see in the next video.